Recently, in an interview, Salman Khan disclosed a near-death experience. Mind you, we were quite stunned to hear that. You just can't miss this one. Check out his confession.
About the train scene, it's really fantastic. Whose idea was it?
This is a great idea, okay? And I don't get scared of CG trains. You know, real trains. I've had a really bad experience in Tere Naam. We were supposed to walk the track, and this is one fighter who's, and I don't know. After that, you seen Tere Naam?
Yeah.
The sequence up where head is bandaged and stuff like that, walking in the train track, and the train is coming behind, and this one guy who's working on the railway track, he sees that and he dives and saves me. He panicked, and the train is behind, and then he realized, he's telling me that he realized कि मैं तो डर गया और मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ चलते हुए और फिर मैं पूरी यूनिट को देखा और आप, because I'm not supposed to look back because I'm going on his conviction that he will come and he'll take me out. So, and the train is coming at 30-40 kilometers an hour, slowly, आराम से. But even that slow आराम से is still going to take me. And 30-40 also, that by the time I look back, if the sound after I look back is for me to pick up that speed on the railway track, it'll be slightly difficult, you know. So there is the full chances. So at that point in time, sir, मैं डर गया. उसके बाद मैंने पूरा यूनिट और खुदा ना खासा कुछ हो जाता, पर फिर मैंने रिस्क लिया. अपने जान को दाव पे लगा के आपको बचाया मैंने, क्योंकि सर वैसे ही ये लोग मुझे मार देते सर, मैं जिंदा नहीं रह पाता अगर आपको कुछ हो जाता तो. Because he, as a fighter, getting scared and not. So he's taken me out with, he's jumped and he's taken his body out first. So my body has this, my leg has hit the train a little bit like that. It was that close. And I didn't know. So, the whole unit was happening here. Sunil Manchanda was standing there with his two big hands. ये तो मारा ऐसे, साले क्या कर दिया तूने? And then they realized that we could have done this simpler also. We could have shot this in CG. Effect would have been the same. So this scene was a composite. There was a train. The train was coming, but it was at a slightly more. So in this distance, there is a safer distance. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि आप तो पेडल मार के चले गए, हाँ, और चेन उतर गई, तो your timing is gone for total. You anything happen, yeah, and that crossing the railway track is always because there's the track there, and then there's that lakda and there's the patthar, so it's not a smooth ride. So that is a difficult one. कि पहली पटरी नहीं चढ़ गए ऊपर, चलो पहली चढ़ गए, बीच में आ गए और बीच में टायर फंस गया और दूसरी पटरी से सेकंड व्हील नहीं निकला या फर्स्ट व्हील निकला ही नहीं, तो यू नीड दैट स्लाइट डिस्टेंस टू भाग जाओ.
But nothing can go wrong in your case, sir.
Right? अरे पूरी दुनिया ऐसी सोचती, सब निकल लिए जिन ऐसा सोचा. So the train was slightly far. I mean that's far also means from here to ये जो wall है about 15 feet. So that distance also is
Whoa! Now that was shocking, right? What do you guys think? Like this video, write in your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.